is changing the world, but did you know you can actually use it to make extra money right now? Whether you're a student, working a 9 to 5, or just looking for a side hustle, these AI tools can help you earn smarter and faster. Stick with me till the end, because the last method can literally run on autopilot. Welcome, wise investors. This is WWA, where we make more, keep more, and live more while staying wise together. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss practical strategies to grow your income and build financial freedom. I'll be showing you 5 AI-powered money-making methods. First up is content creation with AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy AI can help you write blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, and even social media captions. Imagine this: a client pays you $75 for a 1,000-word article. AI helps you draft 70% of it in minutes. Then you just polish it to sound natural. That's a $75 job you can deliver in under an hour. You can offer these services on Upwork, Fiverr, or directly to small businesses that need content. Next is graphic design with AI. Tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, Dall-E can generate professional quality designs in seconds. You could create logos, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or even ebook covers. For example, creators pay between $5 to $20 per thumbnail. And once you set a style, you can make dozens quickly. Or go bigger. Design a month's worth of social media graphics for a business and charge $100 or more. The third method: video creation. Video content is exploding right now, and AI makes it even easier than ever. With tools like Pictory, you can turn blog posts into short videos. Synthesia lets you create faceless videos with AI avatars. And with Descript, you can edit videos just by editing text. That means you can start a faceless YouTube channel. You can also repurpose podcasts into TikTok videos, or even create explainer videos for businesses. Oh, and here's the best part. One script can turn into a YouTube video, 3 TikToks, and 5 Instagram Reels, all in one afternoon. Now let's move on to the fourth method, which is AI for productivity and support. This is perfect if you enjoy helping people stay organized. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Auto AI to handle emails, summarize meetings, draft resumes, or build professional presentations. Okay, let's say someone needs a resume and cover letter. AI helps you create a polished version in less than an hour, and you charge $100 for the service. I don't know about you, but that's fast, clean work that's always in demand. So just go right ahead, market yourself as a virtual assistant who uses AI. It actually makes you stand out. And finally, AI automation. This is where the magic really happens, because you can set up systems that work for you using tools like Gemini, ChatGPT, with Zapier, Buffer, or Shopify AI. You can automate social media posting, create advert copy, or even run an e-commerce store. For example, you could manage 5 small businesses' Instagram accounts, charging $300 each per month. That's $1,500 per month inside income, mostly automated by AI. Now here's a secret. Don't sell the AI. Instead, sell the results, which are growth, sales, and saved time. So there, those are 5 smart ways to make extra money with AI tools. So which one would you try first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to know. This is WWA, where we build smart, grow wealth, and stay wise together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs a new income idea. Until next time, stay wise.